Dreaming of taking photos that turn heads? It's 2 minutes posing Saturday time, and today's episode, it's a game changer. I'm going to walk you through the art of retouching, making sure your boudoir photos look flawless yet natural. Let's start the transformation. Our today's pose is a wonderful standing pose perfectly designed to centrally highlight our model's legs, bum, back and hair. We enhance this by placing our model in front of the bed. This pose is also well suited for couple shoots. We ask our model to stand in front of the bed. The light comes from 2 large bright windows on her right side. As always, we photograph exclusively with natural available light. The model's position relative to the light source is crucial because it helps us create beautiful highlights and shadows on her skin, defining the beautiful shape of her body and back. I ask her to stand on the leg on the side of the light source and to fully extend it. The other leg should be placed directly beside it with toes stretched and the foot arched, slightly bent at the knee. For more stability, she can lightly touch the knee to the bed without leaning on it. To enhance her form and curves, making her body look even more sensual and feminine, I ask her to rotate her pelvis backward while keeping her upper body and her shoulders upright and straight. Her gaze is directed forward. I ask her to tilt her head back, allowing the hair to fall beautifully. This adds even more feminine and sensual look to the image. Camera settings. Since we are again working with side lighting, I'm aiming to highlight the contrast between light and shadows. I shoot with an aperture of 1.8, shutter speed is at 1/200th of a second and the ISO are set at 100. Ever feel like everyone else's poses look way better than yours? Our free posing guide is just what you need. Simply click the link in the video description and download my top 10 favorite poses. Photo editing. After adjusting the white balance to our studio and fine-tuning the exposure, as you know, I always shoot to protect the white points in the image. We choose one of our beautiful presets. The preset takes care of a large part of the editing process, like profile, tone curves and details such as sharpening, noise reduction and lens corrections. Although I really like the color look here, in this case I opt for black and white preset. To create more form and focus, I reduce the shadows by 25 before I move on to adjust the upright and the crop. In this case I want to create more contrast and additionally reduce the black points by 10. I correct any minor skin imperfections using the repair tool. This allows you to make small changes quickly and efficiently. And there you have it, our beautiful boudoir photo is complete. Thanks for exploring fantastic posing tips with us today. Join us again next 2 minutes posing Saturday as we dive deeper into the art of photography. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you'll never miss out on our tips. See you soon.